Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon D. And in this lesson, we'll see what we call les préfixes de verbe, and we'll focus this video on this prefix D, accent aigu S. Okay, so actually I've been having many questions regarding, or from students regarding the translation of this un prefix in English. So like when you get do and undo, or this, because it could be this as well for some verbs. And we saw in the previous lesson that the first prefix that we should use is de. Okay, it was in the lesson, so unit 12, lesson C. Okay, but then this prefix will be used for the verbs that will start with a consonant. Okay, but then we've got also verbs starting with a vowel, or then the mute H plus a vowel, and then in that case we'll have to use D, accent aigu S. Okay, so in this video we'll see this D, accent aigu S, okay, and it will be used for, so the verb starting with a vowel, or then H, so H, but then muet, mute, okay, plus a vowel. So remember that we're not talking about all the verbs starting with H. And then we will have also the option of DES, so you can see that you don't have any accent here, and it will be used only for the verbs that will start with the letter S here, okay? So keep in mind, DE accent aigu S will be used for verbs starting with whether une voyelle or H muet, okay? And then DE without the accent, S, will be used for the verbs starting with S. Okay, so let's see now a few examples. The first one, s'abonner, s'abonner, se désabonner, s'abonner, se désabonner. Armer, armer, désarmer, désarmer. Okay, so armer will give you this désarmer. Avantager, avantager will give you désavantager, désavantager. Équilibrer, équilibrer will give you déséquilibré, déséquilibré. Okay, équilibré, sorry, déséquilibré. Espérer, espérer, désespérer, désespérer. Okay, espérer, désespérer. Habiller, habiller, déshabiller, déshabiller. Okay, so you can see that here, this H here, this letter is not pronounced, so habiller and then déshabiller. Intéresser, intéresser, désintéresser, désintéresser. Obéir, obéir, désobéir, désobéir. Organiser, organiser, désorganiser, désorganiser. Serrer, serrer, and so here you can see that the first letter is S, okay? So if we respect the rule that we saw, we will put D, S, so no accent here, and we'll get this desserrer, desserrer. Okay, so we've got this double S, so it will open the sound of the here. That's the reason why I pronounce it like e. Desserrer, desserrer. Okay, serrer, desserrer. All right, and that's it. If you want more videos, then look at the YouTube channel. It's here. Like me on Facebook, I will be so happy. And then more material can be found at the following address, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.